How to add a vanilla Visa gift card to an Apple Wallet. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial I'll show you how to add a vanilla Visa gift card to your Apple Wallet. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Wallet app. You can find it on your home screen or by swiping down or using the search bar. Next, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner of the Wallet app to add a new card. Then choose the option that says add credit or debit card. You may need to scan your card or enter the card information manually. If you're entering it manually, type in your vanilla Visa gift card number, the expiration date, and the security code found on the back of the card. After entering the details, click next. Apple may require verification from the card issuer. Follow any prompts to complete this step. This may include receiving a verification code via text or email. Once verified, you'll see a confirmation screen, so tap Add to complete the process. Your vanilla Visa gift card is now added to your Apple Wallet. And that's it. You've successfully added your vanilla Visa card to your Apple Wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.